we get going on this one. We got Minter on top with Cardinals. D.B. Hulk on bottom. We did win. McDavid was a rookie. McDavid, Larkin. I forgot who else was that year. We did that year. But the crappy thing with hockey is, especially this year, is I know Leaf has an exclusive with like the #1 draft pick, and Upper Deck has an exclusive with the #2 draft pick. So that really hurts trying to do hockey. So that means you can only get one of the two in each product. Is this who I think it is? I think it is. Yes, it is. Seattle Seahawks. Chris Carson, 12/25. Blue auto. Blue auto. Seattle is Taz. And number card is Matthew Stafford, 91/99 for the Detroit Lions. Troy. Base. Yeah, we didn't mind hockey. Hockey and basketball we did. We did basketball last year because it was a good rookie class. This year is not really that great. And we did hockey. But like I said, the problem with hockey is that's going to be Dwayne Smoot. Yep. Dwayne Smoot, 57/99. I don't even know what team this guy's on. Yeah, it's the exclusive killer. Like that year was when Eichel was exclusive with Leaf, and McDavid was exclusive with Upper Deck. Jaguars is Dwayne. 57/99. Jags is Mark Cote. And Dalvin Cook. 90/99. Florida State. Minnesota Vikings is D.B. Hulk. Yeah, having Eichel exclusive and having David exclusive, that, I mean, we did, like I said, we did do it that one year, and we did alright with it. We had to open it up to Canada. But we did fine. Problem is that most of hockey is Upper Deck, obviously, and Upper Deck does not sell to breakers for the first 3 months of release. LSU, Malachi Dupree, Green Bay Packer. Base auto. That's Jack Shell. Yes. Out of 99, Zach Cunningham. I want to say he's Houston. I was positive on that. There's Beat Hard. LSD. Red, 31/49. Cordrea Tankersley. Clemson. Yeah, the exclusives really hurt Miami Dolphins. Okay, so that's DMP. The exclusives really hurt hockey, trying to do hockey. 22/99, Carson Wentz for the Eagles. Taz. And then Panini's really the only one that does basketball, but unfortunately this year's basketball rookie class is not very good at all. There was 1 or 2 products that took off, but we decided to skip. We're going to get back into doing basketball next season. Or next rookie class, whatever you want to call it. 21 of 25. Dietrich Wise Jr. for the New England Patriots. Razorback guy. That is DMP Vols Parker. Oops. Let's take the passing instruction. And base. Dupree. Feeney. Deshaun Watson, Artavis Scott, and Desmond King. WWE. That one we have never touched. Even for ourselves, we've never touched WWE. I don't know if there's much cash money in WWE cards. Maybe there is, I don't know. Out of 99. I have no idea what team this guy's on. 78 to 99, Anthony Walker Jr. He is the Colts. Alright, he's on the Colts. Purple. Colts owner is Tommy Tebow. Looks like a base out of here. Yeah. Garrett Conley. Oakland Raiders. Rock bottom. Yep, rock bottom. Rocky bottom. And 17 of 25, Greg Olsen, Carolina. Mike 310, Rip City. Mitchell Trubisky. Gold, 10 of 10, Artavis Scott. I don't remember what team he's on. Chargers. Los Angeles Chargers, that is. 10 of 10, gold auto, Artavis Scott for the Chargers. Watson's cards. Nice. And 11 of 49, Bucky Hodges. And Cameron Sutton, Jamal Adams. Fred Ross, the boss. Red, 22 of 49, James Conner for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Also went to Pitt. Taz, 1973. Nice hit. 22 of 49, James Conner. Mitchell Trubisky, 46 of 99 for the Bears. Flash Gordon. Evan Ingram, Cam Robinson, Charles Walker. Four of 10, gold auto, Shock Linwood, 4 of 10. This guy's first name is Shock. I'm shocked. He is Ooh, he might not be on a team. Let's check out Roto World. He was not even invited to the NFL Scouting Combine. He is not drafted, he is not signed, he is not on any team. Alright, we got a gold auto, but it's Silk the Shocker, and he's not on a team. Jim Brown out of 99. Purple. Am I shocked? Curtis Samuel. Seth Ross, Leonard Fournette, O.J. Howard, possibly Canadian Football League, Silk the Shocker. Well, he gets random to everyone in the break since he's not on the team. Silk the Shocker. Oh, crap. I didn't know that we switched the way we were going. But that's a nice hit. 23 of 25. Texas Longhorn. Devontae Freeman. His twin. Going to Houston Texans. Flash. There you go, Flash. And Cooper Kupp. 4 of 49. He's the owl guy. Cooper Kupp. Malachi Jabril Peppers. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Yeah, it's weird. Anytime I see that guy, I always think of Devontae Freeman. Is this that Walker guy? Yep, Colts, right? It's Colts. Base out of Anthony Walker Jr. I'll go to Tommy Tebow. And Ardarius Stewart, 11 of 25, Bama. Also Jets, JC and Casey. Ardarius Stewart. Feeney, Red Dick, and Gerard Evans. Base auto again. Florida State. DeMarcus Walker, Denver Bronco. Yes, I believe Cooper Kupp is Rams. I can double check, but I'm 99% sure. Yeah, he's Rams. He was on the Owls in college. Some Owls, some old Owls. Broncos is Shane, 12-24. Oh, we don't got a number parallel in this one. Brian Hale, Mitch, CJ, Ruben Foster, Ryan Switzer. Hello, it's Switzer. Texas A&M, Josh Reynolds. Should have known. Comes out quite a bit. But I was getting him confused with Rudolph. He is Rams, so Rudolph is the other one. Okay. Josh Reynolds going to the Rams. Troy JS getting that one. And Derek Carr, 86 of 99 for the Oakland Raiders. Rocky Bottom. John Ross, Mike Williams, Josiah Price. Color, finally. 39 of 99, Billy Brown. He's the one that went to like Shepherd or something, I think. It's giving me the actor, Billy Brown. He's an Eagle. Billy Brown is Eagles. 39 of 99, Eagles is Taz. And Mike Evans, 16 of 49. Tampa Bay is Taz. John Allen, Didi, Pat, Malik, and Joe Mixon. Gumby's least favorite guy. Alright, last box of Mojo. Base, Clemson, Jordan Leggett for the New York Jets. JC and KC. Kirk Cousins, Redskins, 70 of 99. DB Hulk. Cunningham, Dalvin Cook, Christian McCaffrey, Elijah Hood. Base auto, Brian Hill. Ooh, is he the Miami guy that I'm thinking of, or is that Charles Harris? Must be, yeah, yeah, he's Falcons. Okay, so Charles Harris is Dolphins. Brian Hill, Falcons. Mike 310, Rip City. And Mitch, 24 of 99. Chris Godwin, Jake Butt, James Conner, Darius Stewart, Leonard Fournette, Trevin Durrell. Color. 1 of 1. Time to bring the heat. Jaleel Johnson, 1 of 1 autograph. Iowa Hawkeyes. I know he was drafted. Or he's on a team, I know. He is... They don't want to show me. Minnesota? Yep, Minnesota. Vikings getting a 1 of 1 auto. DB Hulk. Nice hit. I will one-touch that. Jordan Lewis, Michigan. 86 of 99. And I think he's Patriots, if I'm not mistaken. Could be wrong. I have not gotten a whole lot of Jordan Lewis's. Marlon Humphrey, Cooper Rush. Noah Brown, Brad Kaya. Base auto, UCLA, Fabian Moreau. Damn, his auto's getting weaker and weaker too. Redskin. Base auto for DB Hulk. Damn, on a roll. Donnell Pumphrey, Chad Kelly, Artavis Scott, Corey Clement. Last pack, Mojo. Oh wait, I think is it this way? Yep, base auto. Josh Malone, the wrong receiver for the Bengals. Needed the Mr. Ross, the boss. Bengals getting Josh Malone, and that is big cash. Base auto. And DeAndre Hopkins, 24 of 25. Blue parallel for the Houston Texans. Flash Gordon. And base there. And sprinkle. Adoree Jackson, Deshaun Watson. Alright, so I need a one-touch Jaleel Johnson, 1/1 auto, and we need to random off to all teams. Shock. Silk the Shocker. Jaleel Johnson, 1/1. And gold auto is going to be random of Shock. Silk the Shocker. See you, Mr. Moody. Alright, let's random off this hit here. Move you guys over. We do not do 2 or 3 on the dice roll. Anything higher works. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Denver gets Shock. Silk the Shocker. Going out to Shane.